Unpacking To Pay Off, a guide to understanding this useful phrase. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard quite often, to pay off. It's a versatile expression with multiple meanings, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to use it like a native speaker. To pay off often refers to completing a payment on a debt. When you finish paying back money that you owe, whether it's a mortgage, a car loan, or a credit card bill, you have paid it off. It implies that you have fulfilled a financial obligation. The phrase also has a figurative meaning. When hard work or an investment yields positive results, we can say it has paid off. It's not about actual money, but about the effort that has been rewarded. For example, studying for weeks and then acing your test is your hard work paying off. Investing time in a relationship and then finding a lifelong friend is an emotional investment paying off. You can use to pay off in various contexts. It can express relief, satisfaction, or the culmination of effort. Here are some examples. All my extra hours at work have finally paid off with that promotion. Switching to a healthier lifestyle has really paid off for my well-being. Q1. Can to pay off ever be negative? A1. Typically, it's used positively, but it can have a negative connotation if the payoff is not moral or legal. Q2. Is to pay off formal or informal? A2. It's versatile and can be used in both formal and informal situations. I hope this exploration of to pay off has been enlightening. Remember, whether you're talking about finances or the fruits of your labor, this phrase can add richness to your conversations. Keep practicing, and soon, all your efforts to learn English will surely pay off. Goodbye for now, and keep on learning.